Well, Bernalillo County Metro Court now taking steps to try to stop the revolving door. Jason McNabb has details on a new program addressing this issue.
You've heard the term before.
Stop the revolving door.
Lawmakers, leaders, and law enforcement officials have used it time and time again.
The question the public's going to have is why, and when someone has 41 arrests, 30 arrests, 14 arrests, 21 arrests, why does this keep happening?
Some people who habitually commit crimes, go to jail, and are then released back onto the streets suffer from mental health issues or are found to be criminally incompetent, and their cases often dismissed.
Is there something else we can do besides dismiss and release? And what does that look like?
Justice Brianna Zamora of the New Mexico Supreme Court says there's a promising start to ending the problem. It's called a competency diversion program, and it aims to connect those repeat offenders to services and treatment for the issues they're dealing with. It's coming to Bernalillo County Metro Court, and it's shown some promising results in other cities.
They've done really well. I think they've had over 30 graduates of the program. Most of the individuals who graduate and participate do not reoffend during the time period they're under supervision or shortly thereafter.
But she says the pilot run in Las Cruces has also unveiled some problems with keeping the program effective, specifically with repeat offenders who are homeless.
Even though they might initially agree to the program, we are having trouble finding them. We just don't know where they are. I'm not saying they've absconded, they just don't show up to court, and we have no address or way of contacting them. Those individuals generally withdraw. Well, we can't find them, so they're terminated from the program.
Zamora says to fix this problem, collaboration with local law enforcement entities and other programs is key.
I've already met with the county. They're well aware of the program, and they're doing a lot of work in the supportive housing arena. So I think that will also be an important collaboration.
That was Jason McNabb reporting for us. A community event to officially launch that program will happen Tuesday at Metro Court.